What to do if the slide is stuck in the back and it just doesn't want to go forward? As you can see, it is stuck. It's not the slide release. It is still stuck. Now, let's talk about it a little bit. First, let's talk about how this can happen. I'm gonna show you how it happens, and then I'm gonna show you how to clear it. So, this pistol, when there is a BB in the chamber, just like now, is designed to remove the BB when you rag the slide. Some systems keep the BB in there, the bucking will hold it in there, which saves you a BB, but it can cause a double feed, which potentially could break something. It doesn't happen often, it's very rare, but that's the downside of that system. This system removes the BB, which will make sure that you don't cause a double feed when you double rag a BB into the chamber, but it can happen that it falls into the mechanism right there. So let's see if this removes it exactly as it should. The BB just fell out. Now, how does this malfunction actually happen? When there is a BB in the chamber, you take it out, you leave it, you reload your magazine, you charge it with gas, then you chat to your friend, and you forgot that there is already a BB in the chamber. You put the magazine back in, and you rag the slide again. Now what happens is that the BB will come out, but it has nowhere to go because there is the magazine. Unless you really do it like this, which you probably won't, the BB is likely to actually stay in this area. And for a fact, you can see that this time it stayed in the front. But what can we actually do is to take it, and if it makes it over the first BB, it can, hopefully you could see it, it can actually fall inside there, and now we just caused the malfunction that the slide will not go forward. It's not 100%, maybe when I remove the magazine it will actually go forward, which it actually did, so this time it didn't get stuck. Let's make it stuck so I can actually show you. All right, so one more time. I'm gonna drop the BB here, just as it would. And now it is in there. All right. As you can see, it's not easy to replicate this, but it did happen to me, so I know for a fact that it is possible. Where is malfunctions when you need them? Might be something. All right, there we go. Now it's stuck, and as you can see, cannot do anything that trigger slide stack in the back. We also cannot disassemble it because the hammer is back, the whole slide is back, so we can't really do much about this. How do we get it out? Simple. You just pull the slide back to make space for it. You take a thin Allen key or something, pointy needle would work, and we just need to unstuck the BB a little bit so the slide is able to push it out again. As you can see, there we go. There is our BB, and it was a very simple fix. All right, there you have it. Now you know why it happens, how it happens, and also how to unstuck it. It's one disadvantage of the BB always dropping out when you pull the slide, but it prevents double feeds and potential damage to the nozzle.